talk about the future action. So, um, when we talk about what will happen to the world's climate in the future, the truth is it's complicated. Climate doesn't behave in a perfectly predictable way. It's what scientists call a chaotic system, meaning small changes can lead to big effects. Because of this, we rely on computer models to help predict what might happen. But here, computer models is only as reliable as the data we put into. So scientists need complete, accurate information from all over the world, temperature records, ocean data, atmospheric measurement, so the predictions can be as close to reality as possible. Some scientists approach this by using something called tipping points. A tipping point is like a boundary. If we cross it, the climate could change in a way that cannot be reversed. For example, Arctic sea ice is melting. When bright ice melts, it exposes darker water, which absorbs more heat. That leads to even faster chain reactions. Once a tipping point is reached, the climate change might shift to a new state, one that looks very different from a climate we know today. In chaos theory, this means the relationship between Earth and the atmospheres becomes even more unpredictable, full of uncertainty. But the issue isn't just about the environment, it also affects the economy. We depend heavily on fossil fuels for electricity, transportation, and industry, but burning them release a lot of CO2 into the atmosphere, which makes climate change worse. So we face a real challenge. So, how do we continue developing and industrializing while still protecting the environment? The answer is balance. We need a plan that allows growth but also controls pollution and protects natural systems. Science helps us here. It gives us tools and knowledge to modernize better technology, cleaner energy, smarter system. But science is not a fixed blueprint. It's more like a cookbook. You can adjust, experiment, and improve the recipe. Scientists try things, test them, refine them, and innovate. So, understanding future climate isn't about having one perfect answer. It's about gathering and good data, recognizing risks like tipping points, and using science creatively to build a future that is both developed and sustainable. So that's all about the future action.